Namaste to all of you. Differential equations. This is 8th class B lecture. In the 8th class A lecture we given linear differential equation. In the linear differential equation means dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x, where p of x, q of x both are functions of x only. This is known as the linear differential equation of first order in y. And for this one, general solution also we given. How you can find the general solution? First we have to find the integrating factor. IF. What is integrating factor formula? E power integral p of x into dx. After finding the integrating factor, then directly general solution is given by y into integrating factor equals to integral q of x into integrating factor into dx plus integration constant c. So directly after finding the integrating factor, then directly we can write the general solution like this. Now second linear differential equation type. So second type of linear differential equation means dx by dy plus p of y into x is equals to q of y if they given like this. Here p of y, q of y both are the functions of y only. Means what is the main difference between the first linear differential equation and this linear differential equation? Instead of x, y is there, instead of y, x is there. Now for this equation, solving method, how you can find the solution for this differential equation? And this is known as the linear differential equation of first order in x. Okay, dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. Even for this one also, first step is we have to find the integrating factor. But what is integrating factor? E power integral p of y dy. This is the integrating factor. After finding the integrating factor, then directly we can write the general solution. What is the general solution formula? X into integrating factor is equals to integral q of y into integrating factor into dy plus integration constant c. So remember this model also. This is the linear differential equation of the second kind. The first one is the dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. P of x, q of x are functions of x only. But here the second is reverse. That means instead of x, y is there, instead of y, x is there. And the second linear differential equation is in the form dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. So here p of y, q of y are the functions of y only. And for this one, the first step is finding the integrating factor. How you can find the integrating factor? First of all, e power integral p of y dy. After finding the integrating factor, as usual in the first method, we can find the general solution. In the general solution, x into integrating factor equals to integral q of y into integrating factor into dy plus c is the value. If possible, one example I will give you. Here it is. One example I will give. Solve the differential equation. They given 2x minus 10y cube into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. This is the value they given. Okay. Now for this one, if you find first dy by dx value, so here it is 2x minus 10y cube into dy by dx equal to minus y. Then what is the dy by dx value? Dy by dx is equals to minus y by 2x minus 10y cube. This is not in the ordinary form. That means it is not in the variable separable method. It is not the homogeneous. It is not the non-homogeneous. So maybe linear differential equation. But here dy by dx is not in that form. What is the dx by dy value? Dx by dy equal to 10y cube minus 2x by y is the value. Now here it is the value. Dx by dy equal to 10y cube by y means 10y square minus 2 by y into x. Bring this term this side. Then what you will get? Dx by dy plus 2 by y into x is equals to 10y square is the value. So if you observe this equation in the form dx by dy plus p of y into x is equals to q of y is the value. So this is the linear differential equation of second kind, means linear differential equation of first order in variable x is the value. Now how you can solve this linear differential equation? To solve this linear differential equation, as usual general method, first we have to find integrating factor, but for this one integrating factor is given by e power integral p of y into dy is the value, e power integral 2 by y dy is the value, e power 2 1 by y means logarithm of y. If you simplify, you will get y square is the integrating factor. After getting integrating factor, then we can write the general solution. What is general solution formula? X into integrating factor is equals to integral q of y into integrating factor into dy plus integration constant c. So here you can get x into, what is integrating factor value? Y square equal to integral q of y. What is the q of y? Instead of q of y, 10y square is there. Here it is. So here you will get 10y square into y square dy plus integration constant c, means 10 into y power 4 dy means y power 5 by 5 plus integration constant c. If you simplify, general solution is given by xy square equal to 2y power 5 plus c. So this is the general solution for the linear differential equation of first order in the variable x. Okay, this is also one more model is there. This also belongs to the linear differential equation. Remember this one. Now one more important model we will discuss, that is known as the Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation. Okay, this is also next model, means linear differential equation extension model. Few bits by observing it is not in the linear differential equation form. If you modify that differential equation, then it will changes to linear differential equation model. Okay, here the Bernoulli's differential equation means an equation, first listen all of you, an equation is of the form, an equation is of the form dy by dx plus p of y or p of x into y is equals to q into y power n. They will give like this. Okay, listen, this is the form. Okay, Bernoulli's differential equation. An equation is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y power n. Here p comma q are functions of x only. Now if you observe this equation, this is not the linear differential equation. So we can modify this equation. Let this is the equation number 1, and a few changes I will do to this equation. Then this equation is converted into linear differential equation. For that linear differential equation, again we can find the general solution. So here, working method to solve a Bernoulli's differential equation. Here it is working method. So the given differential equation is dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x into y power n. Now divide entire equation with y power n. Entire equation divide with this value. If I divide with y power n, then what I can get? Tell me here. 1 by y power n dy by dx plus p of x by y power n minus 1 is equals to q of x. Means here y by y power n, so I can get y power n minus 1. Let y power minus of n minus 1 is equals to t. Here it is 1 by y power n minus 1, nothing but 1 by y power n minus 1 I can take as t. Then differentiate this value. If I differentiate this value, what is the value? Minus of n minus 1 into y power minus n plus 1 minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to dt by dx. So here p of x multiple 1 by y power n minus 1 I taken as t. If I take this value as t, then differentiate this value, I can get what is x power n differentiation value, n into x power n minus 1. So basing on this formula, minus of n minus 1 into y power minus n plus 1 minus 1 into dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Means I can get 1 minus n into, here it is the value, 1 by y power n dy by dx is equals to dt by dx. Now with this value I can get 1 by y power n into dy by dx is equals to 1 by 1 minus n into dt by dx. Now replace this value in this differential equation. Replace this whole value in this differential equation. Let it be equation number 1. Then equation number 2. Then equation number 2 changes as how this value changes. Instead of 1 by y power n dy by dx, I can written as 1 by 1 minus n into dt by dx plus here 1 by y power n minus 1 I taken as t. So here p of x into t is equals to q of x. Means I can get dt by dx plus 1 by 1 minus n into p of x into t is equals to q of x by 1 minus n. Means if you observe this entire equation, this is in the form dy by dx plus this whole value new p of x into y is equal to q of x form. Once again, if you observe this equation, of course t value, if you substitute y again, dy by dx plus whole this is a new p of x into y equal to q of x form. So that means by modifying the given equation, this given equation again linear differential equation. Then for a linear differential equation, you know how to solve the or how to find the general solution. So this is known as the Bernoulli's differential equation. So a Bernoulli's differential equation is in the general form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x into y power n. So entire equation, if you divide with y power n, then the equation changes to like this: 1 by y power n dy by dx plus p of x by y power n minus 1 equal to q of x. Then 1 by y power n minus 1, this value if you taken as t, then replace this value with dt by dx, you will get it. Then the whole equation changes to linear differential equation by supposing 1 by y power n minus 1 as t. That means this is the Bernoulli's differential equation. After few modifications, the given equation changes to linear differential equation. Then again linear differential equation, you know how to solve it, then it will be simple to find the general solution. Now with one example I will give. Here it is the example. Solve the differential equation dy by dx plus x into sin 2y equal to x cube into cos square y. This is the bit. So if you observe this value, this is in the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is not there, here it is. And here what is the linear differential equation form? Dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. But here only q of x means it is not the function of x, y term is also there. So means this is the Bernoulli's differential equation. Now here our aim is to convert this Bernoulli's differential equation into linear differential equation. How I convert this Bernoulli's differential equation into linear differential equation? Listen all of you. Here cos square y is there. So entire equation divided with cos square y. Then what is value? 1 by cos square y into dy by dx plus x into sin 2y by, here it is the value cos square y is equals to x cube. So this will 1 by cos square y. What is 1 by cos square y value? Secant square y into dy by dx plus x into sin 2y formula 2 sin y cos y by cos square y is the value equal to x cube. Then in the next step I can get secant square y into dy by dx plus 1 cos y cancel, then sin by cos means tan y into 2 into x is equals to x cube. Now I can take this tan y as t. If I take tan y is equals to t, then differentiate this value. Secant square y into dy by dx is equals to dt by dx. Now this equation number 1 changes to secant square y into dy by dx. Instead of this value dt by dx plus tan y value as t. So here I can get 2x into t is equals to x cube. So this is in the form of dt by dx plus p of x into t is equals to q of x. Means this is the linear differential equation of first order. In the variable t is the value. Means instead of y, here t is there. So I am telling this linear differential equation of the first order in the variable t. And then immediately what is our step? Integrating factor. What is integrating formula? E power integral p of x into dx. Means e power integral, what is the p of x value? 2x into dx. What I can get? E power, here it is the value 2 into integral x value x square by 2 means x square I can get. After getting the integrating factor, then immediately we have to write the general solution. What is general solution formula? T into integrating factor is equals to integral q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. So here it is the value t into integrating factor. What is integrating factor value? E power x square equal to integral q of x. What is the q of x value? X cube into e power x square into dx plus c. Now how to solve this equation? Simple, by integrating methods. Take x square equal to t. If I take x square equal to t, then 2x dx is equals to dt. Then x dx equal dt by 2. So this value changes to 1 by 2 integral 1x dx value dt, and one more x square will be there, t into e power t. Of course here this t is different. Maybe you may take one more variable k for our, without confusion, k. Then this is k into e power k dk. Then you know how to simplify this value. Then after simplifying this value, then you will get t into e power x square equal to, in terms of k you will get, then again we have to replace t value also in terms of x, k value also in terms of x, then you will get the complete solution. So this is known as the Bernoulli's linear differential equation. So Bernoulli's differential equation means directly it is not in the linear differential equation. If you made few changes to the Bernoulli's differential equation, then the total equation changes to linear differential equation. For that linear differential equation, we have to find the solution. Even few examples also tomorrow I will give. Okay, thank you.